Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2011 Kawasaki EX250R Ninja. This bike's got just a little over 9,600 miles on it and is in excellent condition. It's got one little imperfection on it that I found, so I'll show you that as we go around, plus a couple of nice highlights. So let's take our walk. You can see the front end here, everything is in great shape. As you can see, the mirrors have been removed off of it. It will be getting a new front tire. Comes with a bar end mirror, tank pad, Danmoto exhaust, and a fender eliminator. Back tire is still in great shape. That's got a lot of miles left on that. Again, the bar end mirror. This 250 has been lowered too, so this bike has already got a lowering kit in it. And I tried to take a picture of it, but it doesn't show up very well. It's right here around this blinker. You can kind of see there's a small crack that runs from here up to the hole. So it tells me something got caught on that blinker. Hard to say, though. That's my guess. Alright, 9616 are the miles on it. Danmoto sounds good on this bike. I really like the sounds of it. This 250R Ninja will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty, and as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.